Ladies and gentlemen, please secure your coaxial cables. The future has landed, and it's running 500 watts from one blinking box.
Alright, it's arrived. Does amateur radio need an unboxing video? Probably not, but look, these are the first time these have ever arrived in this country. Just arrived, just come off the DPD van, which is ironic, isn't it? DPD, delivery company, which, as we all know, is all about adaptive pre-distortion. But anyway, we'll leave that one till last. Let's get in the box and see what's in the box for the Flex Aurora. This is the AU-510M model. You've seen these videos where you get these, usually Americans, they've got massive hunting knives that are probably illegal in this country. Never know what that's about, but anyway, so a pair of skizzers. Right-handed ones, always useful for a left-handed person. So this has come from Martin Lynch & Sons, which in Great Britain, as far as I'm aware, is the only distributor. So we've got a box inside a box, and then we'll have a look to see what's inside here. So first of all, what do we have? A quick start guide, which is incredibly useful. This, although I've operated Burton Amateur Radio Club, thank you very much guys, G3 NFC, which is the remote Flex 6500 station, I've never personally owned a Flex, so this is all new stuff, new language, new all that sort of stuff, which is good and it keeps the noggin going. We have another information sheet, which I'll no doubt read. What owners need to know. Okay, must take note of that one. And then we've got the rig itself. Lovely little feature here. First customer shipment, December 2025. Well, we're great. It is at the moment, May 2026. They had a few EU legal loopholes to get through. Well, testing loopholes through the labs in the EU, which is all good to know. They've all passed, of course, flying colours. There we go, a signaturecleans.com. Very nice, thank you very much, Flex. So here's the Aurora. This is, as I mentioned already, the AU-510M model. So it's got the screen on it. Wanted that for going out and doing POTA. So you've got 500 watts. It'll run off a portable power pack. It's CESSB, polar modulation, adaptive pre-distortion. It's got the holy trinity, all three things. And it doesn't weigh a lot at all. Not a lot. When you pick the box up off the courier, you think, flipping heck, is there anything in here? And if you like looking at the rear end of rigs, that's the rear end. So as you can see, you've got two antennas. I'll have to read what the rest is. I know it's got ground, obviously. It's got a receive-only antenna, and you can plug a transverter into it as well. But, you know, it's all for learning about any of this. The videos by Mike from Flex are essential to watch. I've watched them already. And this, obviously, quick start guide is going to be really useful. And the next job is to download on my Mac Smart SDR from Marcus, because I want the Mac version for doing the firmware updates in the future. Because, of course, another thing you get on here is over-the-air updates. Other things in the box. This looks like GPRS. In fact, it looks just like the one that come with my QMX Plus. Another Holy Trinity rig. And there is the Flex hand mic. I have also bought a headset for this as well, which I rather like using. So anyway, yes, it's all there. That's what you get in the box. Box is now empty. Got to show you these from the unboxing. Really high quality, warm Flex coat, Sportec, good quality stuff. And a lovely FlexRadio, well, it's Yeti there, really good. Coffee cup, coat, coffee cup, rig, antenna. Can't beat it, can you? More on that soon. So what's all the fuss about this Flex Aurora, you might be wondering? Well, it's got the Holy Trinity. There is only one other rig on the market that I know about that has the Holy Trinity. And that's Hans Summer's QMX from QRP Labs. 5 watts, 500 watts. Holy Trinity, adaptive pre-distortion, clean signals. You're not a dirty signal on the band. You might be thinking, I'm not a dirty signal on the band, Dave. Really? CESSB gives you the equivalent of double your power an SSB according to the ears at the other end. That's like 1 kilowatt instead of 500 watts. And also polar modulation, which means you can take a 500 watt rig. Honestly, this doesn't weigh a lot. It is, as I've said already, it's a bit like, is there anything in this box when you receive it off the delivery guy? This is something you can take out portable. I've got a blue tit, or whatever you call them, power bank that will power this. You can take them out and you can do POTA with 500 watts, which at the moment, the Please Be With Us at the Weekend, 9th and 10th of May 2026, which is Mills on the Air. Have a listen for that, please. Give us a call. Be operating under GB0SHT, Sugar Hotel Tango, or Sierra Hotel Tango, to put that correctly. We'll be operating Andy, Steve and I. So have a listen for us and you'll hear the Aurora being used. But anyway, yes, so we need the propagation gods on our side, but 500 watts helps, right? So normally, sometimes 10 watts, sometimes 100 watts, but 500 watts, and you can carry it to a picnic bench and set up and operate. And I'm going to use my DX Commander. The reason is I'm going to use my DX Commander is I know it will take a kilowatt. And so it will more than handle this. Easy to put up, multi-band, all that sort of stuff. So anyway, that's the plan. So I'll do some footage on that one, and I'll do more stuff on what's it really like owning one of these and operating one. Because I say this is a learning curve for me. When you're used to ICOM, Yaesu, whatever, they're all pretty standard, aren't you? You get used to them. Where with Flex, it's a slightly different language. So anyway, let's find out what happens next. Thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for watching this. Whatever you're doing with your radio, 7344. Thanks again.
I used to sit indoors in a swivel chair throne, growing barnacles slowly beside the home zone. 3 monitors glowing like a nuclear plant, arguing with Dickie who just can't hear chant. He's drowning in Q-Atom from the neighbor's LED. His plasma TV sounds like angry Bumblebee. Meanwhile I'm hilltop portable beneath the crimson sky with the Aurora singing like a Vulcan lullaby. Why sit at home getting fat behind a desk, commode in the pileup causing rectal distress? You can smell the solder and the microwave meal, or you can chase POTA where the forest feel real. Churro! 500 watts go smash through the static snow. Churro! From a mountaintop where the wild winds blow. Godfrey, Lima, Romeo, Charlie on the air tonight with the Holy Trinity making every signal bright. Polar modulation, adaptive pre-distortion, CESSB, punching through magnificently. The old boys at home in their heated radio caves, collecting compression settings like Egyptian graves. Back in my day, they grumble on IM while Aurora deploys like a Sega pen jib. 1 box, 1 lid, no spaghetti on floor, no separate amplifier humming by the door, no giant power brick heating up the shack. Just sling the coax in the boot and never